Hi, I'm Kip from kiphakes.com and I've just had this delivery from Amazon and I thought I'd unbox it for you. There's two things in here and one of them is the thing that we're most interested in. I mean, I hope this is what I expect it is. It'd be very annoying if it isn't. Let's get into this parcel. This is a very rough and ready video because I want to play with what's in here. But I thought I'd unbox it in front of you guys anyway. Okay. Well, yes, it's what I expected. This is the Elgato Stream Deck XL. So we'll just take that out for a second, and also I've got myself this new XLR cable, but it's just a cable. I'm not really interested in that. So let me get rid of the box. And let's look at this. How cool is that? Right. Okay. Yeah, I'm not a massive fan of unboxing videos, but I know people on YouTube really like them, so I'm happy to do them. Okay, I've got these two stickers either side. So basically, if you don't follow what I'm doing apart from YouTube, I've set up a Twitch channel at kiphakes.tv and it's going really well and I'm really pleased with it. And all the generous donations and bits from the people who view the channel have got me this. So I thought I would unbox it and show you all what's inside. Right, let's go. Now, obviously, as you saw, this has come straight out of the box, so I've got no idea what's in here whatsoever. Let's put that over there. So we've got the quick start guide. Oh. No word of a lie, the Royal Marine Bomb Disposal Unit has just turned into my road. That is mental. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Interesting. Very interesting. Right, anyway. Hopefully, you know, we'll be able to get through the video. Oh, look at this. So that is the unit itself, all wrapped up. We'll get that out in a moment. We'll just look at the rest of what's inside this box. Okay, so what do we have in here? Oh, there we go. So it's a USB cable for it. It's terminated in a USB-C connection on one end and a standard USB-A. I think that's on a USB-C-A connection on that end. There we go. Oh, and what else have we got in here? We have got important safety instructions. Okay, well, we'll worry about those later. And that is all that's in the box, I think. So this is powered entirely by the USB 3 connector on the back of your computer. So usually USB 3 connectors are blue, like that. Dougie's growling at the people coming down the road. He's just telling them off. Yep. So there we go. So there's that. Now let's get into this now. This is very nice. It's a little bit smaller than I was expecting. I've never seen one of these before. Okay. Ooh. I like stuff that's wrapped like this. It gives a little bit of theatre, doesn't it? There we go. So that is the Stream Deck. So basically, all of these are individual buttons and they are individual LCD screens, so you can configure these buttons to be whatever you like, and you can change the graphic on them. Just pressing them, quite a nice feel to them. So yeah, I imagine that. Wait. Okay. Where does the USB plug in? Interesting. I mean, I probably should look in the quick start guide, shouldn't I? Right, I see. So it can either be like that on the desk, or it's a slightly magnetic mount. I like that. That's cool. Yeah, where does the USB go? Let's have a little look. Ah. Oh look, there it is. Then you can route the cable either out the back there, or if it's in the dock, out the back of the dock there. Awesome. Cool. Well, I am looking forward to playing with this and setting it all up and getting it ready for my stream. So if you want to check out my stream, it is kiphakes.tv. We usually stream weekdays from 9 AM UK time, and yeah, this will be able to see this in action. I'm very much looking forward to getting it set up. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!